everyone, good day. Welcome back again to my channel. It's your baby girl Jenny. Welcome back again to my channel. I didn't go to school today, guys. Quickly, I did not go to school today because of my children were sick, so I just took them to go see their doctor. That's why I did not go, so and on Monday there is no school, so on Monday is still public holiday. We are still having free time on Monday, and then I am cooking. So this is what I am cooking. So this is what I am cooking. I'm frying the meat because I want to make what they call this katofe puree, because my children love it a lot. So this is what we are going to be having for lunch, So I am going to add curry powder to it, and the next thing to add now is ginger powder. So a bit, and thyme. I'm going to add the dried thyme, so a bit. So I'm also going to add nutmeg powder. So that's enough. So you have to stir. So this is what we are going to have today for lunch. And this is bell pepper, tomatoes. I think I have 2 seeds of tomatoes here, and 3 bell pepper and the onions, And this is cream. So I'm going to use it to make what they call this katofe puree. What they call this potato puree. Potato. I'll be using half. So I'll use this one to make the sauce. So I'm going to test if it's okay. If it's not okay, I'm going to add a bit of butter to cook. No, well, let's know. So I'm going to add a bit of butter. I just want it to stop. That's when my children now eat it well. So cover it. So this is the puree that I'm going to use. Katofe puree. This is dry potatoes, So with this, I'll show you guys how it's prepared. So this is the katofe puree. We are also going to be needing what they call the parsley. We'll be using parsley. So first thing, I am going to blend these tomatoes that you're seeing here. I'm going to blend it, do you know the good news that do you know the good news that I got today? They have sent me, I received an email today from the government. They wrote to me that they have found my document. So I'm so excited today because making a new document now is so difficult, because I've been trying to go to have an appointment. Last week I go there more than three times. And last 2 weeks I also went there. They did not even allow me to enter, because of the thing that happened. So when you go there, you have to stay in line for like 6-7 hours. So God was so kind. They sent me letter today. Not even letter. They sent me an email. They sent me email today that they have found my document, And the place they even find this document is my old city where I moved to this place. So they said they what do they call it? Lost and find office. So they find my document and they have posted to this city that I'm living right now. So the city that I'm living now sent me an email that they find my document, and then I should come next week to pick it, So I'm going to pick my document next week, and also my baby document also, because we put it in we applied for a new one, since they have not come out. They haven't come out, So we apply for a new one. So I'm going to also pick it next week. Your guys so excited. You guys should happy with me. So that's it. I am here to be making video for you guys back to back. That's just it. Let's cook our food. So let's check on it. Oh, food. It's ready. Let's test. Testing. Can you guys see how sucky and yummy? So I have ordered for a new blender because all my blender has spoiled. except this one that I'm about to use now. So all my blender has spoiled. Hey, what? This one too spoiled. Hey, my spoil. Okay, I did not plug it. Hey, see me. Oh. Sorry, Katie camera is shaking, 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 shaking. Fever.
Not too much. But you just go back something.
You can try your food. You try your need to take the fever out. To make our curry. So this is it. It's normal hot water, guys. Our cream, you know. So it's Zana. We just call it Zana. So I don't know if I pronounce it well, but Zana. So I'm adding everything to it. They are from different companies, but they are the same thing.
seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright. And for the first time in a long time, I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going life. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
This is for Christopher. Hey, closer. So thank you for watching. Can you guys see my face? It has started clearing, you know. So I will show you guys what I use to remove all these dark spots, you know. It's just one soap, you know. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also help me to share, you know. Thank you. Bye. Come and join us. Come and join. Come and join. Come and join.